Hi there, this is how to reset any Asus Wi-Fi router, and there are two ways how you can do this. The first way is to use the reset button, so usually it's located on the back panel. You need to grab a pin or any sharp and pointed tool, insert into this hole and push the button and hold it until you see the power indicator is blinking. Like this. Now release the button and wait for other indicators to be turned off. And that's it, the router is now reset. And the other way is reset via WPS button. So it's on the back panel as well, usually. So you need to power off your router, then press and hold the WPS button and power on the router back again, keeping the WPS button pressed. Now you need the same picture, blinking power indicator. That's it. Now release the WPS button and you're all set. The router is reset now and you can set it up from scratch. But let's act as the experienced user and create the backup file to not set up the router from scratch after reset is completed. So if you wish to save your successful configuration, open your web browser. You can use mobile browser. I'm just showing you this on desktop because this is more convenient. And make sure you're connected to your Wi-Fi router and log in to the control panel. You can do it by this IP address or just type in router.asus.com, hit enter, log in to your graphic user interface. Of course, if you don't know these credentials, you can't log in and you have to do factory reset without backup. So let's sign in. I don't want to save this password. Well, this interface may vary by router, but anyways, you need to find something like administration or system settings, and then find a tab like restore, save, and upload setting. Here you can save your settings to a file. Just click here. You don't need this checkbox. Now, as you can see, the settings are saved. Let's go to Downloads folder. That's it. Settings, RT-AX, the model of your router. And later, after reset is completed, you can open this menu and upload your file. And this action is restoring your settings. So all your connections, all your passwords, and so on. By the way, you can reset the device from here, but this action is the same as the button pushing. So that's it, guys. I hope this was helpful. If yes, thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and be awesome. Bye, guys.